Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to manage, how to enable new camera advanced settings for your Windows 11. So Windows 11 is rolling out its latest feature. This feature is only available in 27758 build number only. Okay, so if you are using the old version, you can't get this option. Okay, so to enable these new settings, open the Windows settings by using the shortcut key. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open the Windows settings. From the left panel, click on Bluetooth and devices, and in the right panel scroll down and find out camera. Open it. Okay, in the camera here you can get the connected camera. From here you need to find out advanced camera option. Just click and open it. And here guys, you can get the two option. You can enable the camera settings, allow multiple apps to use camera at the same time. When you enable this option, so you can use your camera for multiple apps at the same time. And one more option here, you can get turn on basic camera, limit camera feature to the basic. If you enable this second option, so it will limit your camera usage. Okay, so from here you can able to customize your advanced camera settings for your Windows 11. So this is the very nice and very interesting feature added in the Windows 11 new version. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.